Hey guys, it's Steve at AAA Trucks in big time Monroe, Georgia. Stock number JK2146. It's a 2018 Cascadia 125 double bunk condo. It's obviously blue. Let's get inside here. You see my cheek notes flying. Looks like we've had the seat replaced in it. Very nice and clean on the inside. All of these blue trucks we got in are clean. Dash is good. Got stereo there for you. It's a manual 10-speed. No strange odors, which is good. We'll back it on out here. See what we got. It's a beautiful truck. Got the electric APU on there. Got the 4 super singles on it. I get tired of saying it, but if you want to change them, just talk to your sales rep and we'll get it taken care of. It's got a DD15 in it. The engine, this one's got 600 to 1,000 miles. So it's ready to roll on day one. So come on down, we'll make you a deal on it. You can start making money. Just talk to your sales rep, Steve or Robert, and we'll get you rolling.